Hey, what's going on, folks? This is CJ Car Audio. Basically wanted to show you guys uh, a little quick review of it's actually a special I'm giving too. This is the newer Pioneer AVH200ex. This is one of the newer models. Let me turn it on real quick. This is a 2009 Honda Accord, by the way. Customer just got this done. We got a special we running right now for the radio installation, everything, $325. But anyway, it basically does everything that the other ones do, but it does have because like I said, it's a little cheaper than the other models, so it is missing some things like it doesn't have you won't get any CarPlay features or anything like that. It does have the capacitive touchscreen, so the touchscreen looks a little better. These are the basic features. You're not going to have any Sirius XM. It's basically like a bare bone basic Pioneer radio. Double down. You got your radio, you got your disc, you got your USB iPod, you hook up the USB, you got your Bluetooth audio, your aux, and also your backup camera. It also doesn't have a audio video input, so like if you wanted to play something on here, or if you wanted to install head rest, it doesn't have like AV outputs or inputs, so like you wouldn't be able to do none of that. It still has the you can change the illumination colors, still have your EQ. It's not in depth like the other ones as far as the features and stuff, but I mean, if you got like a customer come in, they don't want all that extra stuff, something like that, this is basically what you would do. This is your Bluetooth, your DVD, like I said, your speaker settings, your audio, your illumination. Another thing with this model, you can't put your own custom background picture like you can with the other ones. What else? I mean, it's pretty basic though. You still got your favorites and all that. This customer added a backup camera to it, so you can add a backup camera to it. It has a wireless remote, so if you want to do the stereo controls. What else? No data link, Maestro, none of that stuff like that. Like I said, it's a basic model. I actually have this one on display to show people, but I mean, I like it. I like it better than, I believe Pioneer used to have the I think it was the 150 or something like that, the DVD or something like that, but man, the resolution on this one is a lot better. You can set the date and time. Put your DVDs in here. I mean, that's basically it. Turn your display on and off. You still have about 24 FM presets. You still have your radio data service where you can turn on and see what's playing and all that. I mean, it's a pretty good model.